How to fix After Effects not playing preview. In this video, I will show you how to fix After Effects when your preview is not playing. This is one of the most common issues editors face, and I'll walk you through the step by step so you can get your project running smoothly again. You can check that your After Effects is updated through the Creative Cloud desktop app. Outdated versions often cause preview issues. So click on Updates in Creative Cloud, and if you see After Effects listed, hit Update. Now, once you open After Effects, if your preview isn't playing, the first fix is to check your preview settings. You can go to the top menu, click Windows and Preview, and make sure that the spacebar or RAM preview is properly assigned. Also, check that the skip option is set to 0 for smoother playback. If that doesn't work still, you can just clear your disk cache. You can go to Edit, Preferences, Media and Disk Cache and click Empty Disk Cache. A full cache can slow down or stop previews from playing. This simple step fixes the problems most of the time. So another important tip is to adjust your preview resolution in the preview panel. You can change it from full or to half or quarter. This reduces the amount of memory After Effects needs and helps playbacks run much smoother, especially on slower systems. Lastly, make sure you have enough RAM allocated to After Effects. You can just go to Edit, Preferences, and Memory, and allow more RAM for After Effects instead of other apps. This ensures the program has enough resources to handle your preview. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.